In this riveting video, titled Unveiling the Technological Marvels, an exploration of the 10 most advanced military drones worldwide, viewers are treated to an in-depth look at the pinnacle of unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) technology. These cutting-edge machines, equipped with artificial intelligence and designed for a myriad of missions, are currently in service in armed forces worldwide. Bayraktar TB2. The Bayraktar TB2, a multi-purpose drone hailing from Turkey, stands out for its impressive autonomy and versatility. Boasting a length of 6.5 meters and a wingspan of 12 meters, it can undertake intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions with a maximum takeoff weight of 700 kilos. Its remarkable engine, generating 100 horsepower, propels it to a top speed of 220 kilometers per hour. With a flight ceiling of 8,000 meters and an endurance of 27 hours, it has been an integral asset in the armed forces and police of Turkey. M25 Stingray. From the United States comes the M25 Stingray, an aerial refueling drone designed to operate from aircraft carriers. With a length of 5.5 meters and a wingspan of 23 meters, it's engineered to refuel aircraft like the F-35, extending their operational range. Capable of refueling more than 4 aircraft per flight and covering a range of 925 kilometers, the M25 Stingray is set to play a crucial role in enhancing the capabilities of carrier-based aircraft. RQ-170 Valkyrie. The RQ-170 Valkyrie, a long-range stealth drone from the United States, is a game-changer in the realm of unmanned escorts. Standing at 8.8 meters with a wingspan of 6.7 meters, it is not only capable of surveillance and reconnaissance, but can also deploy smaller drones like the Altius 600, amplifying its operational reach. Boasting a maximum takeoff weight of 2.7 tons, a load capacity of 540 kilos, and a top speed of 1,050 kilometers per hour, the Valkyrie is a formidable addition to the U.S. military arsenal. Loyal Wingman. Australia's foray into advanced military drones comes in the form of the Loyal Wingman, a stealth and multi-purpose drone designed to operate intelligently in a group, functioning alongside manned aircraft or independently using artificial intelligence. Its capabilities rival that of a fighter jet. With dimensions measuring 11.7 meters in length, a range of 3,700 kilometers, the Loyal Wingman offers tactical support to the Royal Australian Air Force's fleet, particularly the F-35. Aksu. Turkey's Aksu takes center stage as a high-performance drone designed for autonomy and versatility. With a length of 11.6 meters and a wingspan of 24 meters, it can execute missions such as surveillance and maritime patrol. The 2-turbo diesel engines, generating a total of 340 horsepower, propel the Aksu to speeds exceeding 250 kilometers per hour. Operating at altitudes of 12,200 meters, it boasts an impressive endurance of 60 hours or a range of 6,500 kilometers. Bayraktar RQ-170. The Bayraktar RQ-170, another marvel from Turkey, emerges as a high-performance strategic drone with artificial intelligence systems. With dimensions measuring 12.2 meters in length and a wingspan of 20 meters, it possesses a maximum takeoff weight of 5.5 tons and a payload capacity of 1.5 tons. Fueled by 2 turboprop engines generating a total of 1,500 horsepower, the RQ-170 reaches speeds of 360 kilometers per hour. MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper, a multi-purpose drone manufactured in the United States, is renowned for its long-duration, high-altitude capabilities. With dimensions measuring 11 meters in length and a wingspan of 20 meters, It features a maximum takeoff weight of 4.7 tons and a payload capacity of 1.7 tons. Powered by an engine generating 900 horsepower, the Reaper attains speeds higher than 450 km per hour. Predator Sea Avenger. The Predator Sea Avenger, a product of U.S. engineering, is a fast and highly accurate drone designed for survivability in harsh environments. With dimensions measuring 13 meters in length and a wingspan of 20 meters, it boasts a maximum takeoff weight of 18.2 tons and a load capacity of 4.5 tons. Propelled by a jet engine, it reaches a top speed of 740 km per hour, flying at altitudes of 15,000 meters. X-47B. X-47B, a high-performance drone designed to operate from aircraft carriers, is a testament to U.S. innovation. With a wingspan of 19 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 20.2 tons, it boasts a payload capacity of 2 tons. Driven by a jet engine, it achieves speeds of over 1,100 km per hour, flying at altitudes of 12,800 meters. The X-47B has influenced the development of other drones and is a key player in the ongoing evolution of carrier-based drone operations. RQ-4 Global Hawk. At the zenith of the list is the RQ-4 Global Hawk, a reconnaissance drone manufactured in the United States. This behemoth is renowned for its ability to perform long-duration, high-altitude missions, providing high-resolution images covering extensive geographic areas. With a wingspan of 40 meters, a maximum takeoff weight of 11.6 tons, and a load capacity of 1.3 tons, the Global Hawk is powered by a jet engine reaching speeds of 630 km per hour. As we conclude this detailed exploration of the 10 most advanced military drones in the world, it becomes evident that these unmanned aerial vehicles are not just machines. They are technological marvels pushing the boundaries of what's possible in modern warfare. Each drone, meticulously designed and equipped with state-of-the-art features, represents the forefront of military innovation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and behind-the-scenes sneak peeks.